there's no wind, we probably would have survived the night. So today guys, pupunta po tayo ng New Zealand! Woo! Wala pa talaga akong tulog ngayon guys kasi galing ako ng night shift. And I finished 7:15 a.m. and what's the time now? It's about 11 a.m. My flight is 1:35 p.m. So we will be in New Zealand for 10 days starting from today. I'm arriving tonight, September 20, and then I will be there up until September 30. Where are we going, Win? New Zealand. Airport, yes. Bro, mag-hi ka naman, bro. Say hi.
Hello!
Say hi, Win.
Say hi. Hi, smile. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Tito John.
Hi, Tito
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. We're here at Parks Regional Airport. Thanks, brother, for
No
driving me to the airport.
No worries. My pleasure. Ganda ng bag ni Tito John, oh.
These seats as far forward as possible. Remove the cover, pull that on the handle.
Finally, touchdown New Zealand. Arriving on 20th of September in Christchurch International Airport, my Kiwi friend volunteered to pick me up. Sir! Say hi!
What's happening?
The following day, September 21, it is the housewarming of my sister's house in Christchurch. It was great to meet with family and friends again. Fast forward, September 23, we are going for camping in Lake Pearson. Lake Pearson is an hour-and-a-half drive away from Christchurch City. It is a huge lake which is surrounded with mountains. When we went to West Coast with my brother-in-law and sister, we drove past this lake and I said, I am coming back to camp here. And here we are. We set up our tent, which Earl bought for $20 on that day. We are not expert in camping, and we only planned 2 days ago. The original plan was to go to Nelson. Hello! 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 Kibaw na ko. We had a great start. We had food, tent, chairs, music, and pretty much everything we needed. Thanks to Earl, who is always ready. I am going to sleep early because I did not have enough sleep last night, while Earl stayed out late and took some beautiful photos of the sky. The sound of the wind was relaxing until 3 a.m. phenomena happened.
Oh my good lord. Di gyapon na kusog kay hangin.
Grabe.
Murag ka ng demonyo, no? Pero kung naka sa gawas, di kayo man.
Hindi bitaw.
Oh, kung naka sa sud makuan mo ang kuan.
Asa man ta?
Bot. Puro mo tagling. Puro magiging.
We're camping here in Lake
Pearson. Buwan na ruwa.
Gi-vlog na lang kay mura magpadungan ni magumpa niya mong tensa. Hangin kayo guys. It's very windy. It's very windy, but the star is bright. The sky is so clear. Oh my God. There's a moon there. I'll show you if you can see. Oh, you can see the stars, guys. Look at that. Guys, our tent has finally surrendered. So we are just going to put it away back in the car. Back in the car. But it's not too bad. It's not too cold. Hey, Earl, no.
Yeah,
It's
no,
cold, but it's not really bad.
I think it's just like 14 degrees, 13.
Yeah, if there's no wind, we probably would have survived the night outside. Time check, guys. It's 3:30 a.m. New Zealand time.
We transferred into the car as it started to pour. We slept from 4 a.m. until around 7:30 a.m. It was still raining when we woke up and said, okay, let's go home.
Okay.
So we ended up sleeping in our car.
Morning, everyone.
That was 3:45 a.m. because it was so windy and our tent did not make it. That's kaya ba?
Highest.
Murag demonyo sa sud lagi sa tent nga kusog kayo niya. Murag duda nako kusog to sa kayo niya. Samot ka kusog kay tungod sa pressure sa kanang makuan gani siya sa bukid.
Ikaro sa hangin niya pa. Ato sa tong...
Gawas na niya sa bukid. Samot siya kakusog.
We almost left. Thankfully, the rain stopped. Otherwise, we would have not seen this. Finally, the sun was out and we could prepare our breakfast.
Hi, everyone. Good morning. May bungka.
We have cup noodles for breakfast and Earl is
I'll
Having-
be having some muesli with yogurt and banana. Trying to be healthy. And a black coffee.
black coffee. And guys, we've been having these two visitors since last night.
I am not going to leave this lake without dipping in its waters. I have been doing this dipping in cold water since 2022 in New Zealand. Then we went for a walk on the highway and played some Avicii music. You say one day you leave this world behind. It's time to head back to Christchurch. Here we are driving again in a country where every turn is to a beautiful view. And yes, the camping was an epic fail, but we had a great time and it was memorable. Hi guys, so I'm still here in Lake Pearson with my friend and we're really having fun here. There's so many things to be grateful about: the job, the family, the friendship, and yeah, lots and lots of things. So I feel really blessed, to be in this country and to be able to visit the country anytime and go back to Australia anytime as well, because there's lots of Filipinos and other nationalities that are struggling to get a job here in New Zealand. And here I am, I'm able to come here anytime and I've got a stable job. So yeah, it's just such a beautiful place, guys. Really, really beautiful. Enjoy!